Y'all, hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. I am laughing because I thought I hit the record button and I didn't. So I'm just talking and I happen to look up and see if I'm in frame and all this stuff. And lo and behold, I was not because I wasn't recording. So let me do this and let me go over what I was saying. So my pay date was Friday the 19th. I actually received my paycheck on the 17th. And what posted to my account was $2,105.18. Now, what I was saying about this $774 is if you were been on my channel for a little bit and you've watched some of my videos, you heard me saying how I was blessed to have, and I'm hoping my phone is right because I just dropped it back in there. I was blessed to have some work done on my house. I received my inspection, sent it into my insurance company, and I got a refund. I got a refund. Blessings on blessings on blessings on blessings on blessings. All right, first things first. If you watched my last video of my first paycheck for September, you saw me say that I was paying my mortgage, or not paying my mortgage, I was putting money aside for my October mortgage. However, I ended up using that money and paying bills and stuff. And I really got to reel in the eating out and the grocery shopping. I don't know if it's because I'm like moving and doing so much stuff now that I'm in the grocery store constantly or I'm eating out constantly, but I gotta bring that back in. So I ended up using that money for other things and paying some other bills. So with this check, I just went ahead and paid paid my mortgage for October. It's $1,700 that I went ahead and paid on my mortgage. My internet is coming out, I think this weekend. And that is $129.50, $129.40. I'm having a problem this morning with numbers, maybe because I have to go to work. Life insurance is an automatic. That's $25. And the ring comes out, this paycheck, that's $10.69. Apple Family. And you know what I was really trying to do? I got to figure out how, I got to message her, Tara with Journey to Wisdom and Wealth, how she does her videos. Because if you remember, I said I purchased her spreadsheet, and I want to kind of show you guys how I'm using it, which I'm telling you, it is wonderful. It is wonderful. All right, YouTube and CapCut. I didn't even mention CapCut, but YouTube, CapCut. Okay, so that's those. What I did do now, I did put into savings, because when I got this money, because I'm so focused on paying off debt, I almost took this whole money. I almost took this full amount and just threw it to debt. But then I'm like, you really don't have a lot saved up, like in your savings. So I put $250 into savings. And then this is part of the normal, which is $125. I did pay off another debt, which was $140.56. I'm trying to think, because if I wouldn't have received this, I wouldn't have. Yes, I would have, because I still had the mortgage money sitting, but I would have had to start paying a whole bunch of other stuff too. So, hold on. Somewhere. All right. Oh, I haven't done this part. Okay. So let's go. Here we go. Grocery. And I'm like all over the place. That's why I don't like rushing through a video. 120. Look. So over budget. So over budget. I don't even think I budgeted this much for the month. Giving Giving, I actually did 50. I did 50. Self-care, which is like has been really important to me lately, I did 128. And I did some other spending of 26. Now, I left some money in the bank and I didn't assign it anywhere. I just have it sitting because I think I want to leave it as a savings and transfer it to a different account. This I'm leaving in my account that I could easily access, but the other I think I'm just going to leave in another account. So let's see where we are. I have 176 plus 129, 40. Am I in frame? Am I still recording? Yes. 25, 1069, 40, 799, 599. All right, so that's 19. Okay, I guess I'll do the 16. 120, 65, 50, 128, 26. And that's 389. This is 265.56. And this is 250. All right. Now, I have to show you I need to do an overall monthly budget. I mean, not an overall monthly. I need to do a month closeout because from my previous checks, I still have money sitting in accounts that I did not touch because I couldn't figure out like how in the world did I spend all this money, but it's because the other money I just didn't touch, which I would have used. 2879 minus 1919.16 minus 389 minus 265.56 minus 250. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, da, 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 da. So I'm dancing and happy because I watch tarot all the time, all the time. I'm telling you guys, when I do the monthly closer, I'm gonna show you how I use her spreadsheet. This matches what's in I wish I could show you. This matches what's in my account. I have 40 in one account, and yeah, I got 40 in one account, and I think I actually have a little over. I have 18. Okay, that's those accounts. Now, so if you're wondering, like, where did that 774 go? You know, like I had already budgeted my money without that. On my previous paychecks, I have money going in different places. Just a little, probably too much information, but I did not touch that money. So that money was sitting there. So I went ahead and just used this to pay these. Like I had the money for the internet sitting. So that money is still sitting. I just went ahead and used this money in this account to pay these bills. And on top of that, I get paid today for my second job. All of my bills for September are paid. Now, my paycheck for my second job is this amount as well. So the money I would have used on today, I don't have to touch. It can actually go into... Okay. All right. So yeah, man, I can't wait. I am definitely going to do a monthly closeout. Like now I did overspend. I can't even sit and deny that fact that I overspent on grocery. I overspent on eating out. I got to figure out something with this. But yeah, I'm really, really, really excited and happy that this happened. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you all. I really, really, really do. And I'm just so happy because it finally worked. It finally worked. I'm telling you, I can't wait to show you how I use her spreadsheet. Oh my God, I got to go text her and tell her how happy I am this Tuesday morning. All right, guys, I will catch you in the next video. Bye.